Hello everyone. So this is another update video, but this update is very specific. In my July update video, I mentioned something about a GCSE to MaTrn000 level transition series. So this audio recording, this upload is really to go a bit more into detail about that. This video will only be a couple of minutes long, so hopefully it will introduce you to this new series that I'm going to be working on and uploading over the summer, and yeah. So as I've said, this update is an introduction to that. The idea behind them is that they are to help maths GCSE students with their transition into A-level. The videos will be linear in nature, so you will simply watch video number 1, then number 2, then number 3, and so on. Although they are intended for maths GCSE students who are making the transition to A-level, they could be used by other students as well. Perhaps bright year 9 and 10 students, maybe they want to see what maths A-level is like. Maybe you just want to satisfy your own curiosity. Maybe you're not sure what A-levels you would like to do. Maybe you haven't made that decision yet, and you would like to see what A-level maths is actually about. So these videos could help you if you find yourself in that situation. The videos, as I've said, are really specifically aimed at students who are about to start year 12 or who have just started year 12. But I hope that there will be enough of a challenge in them to also help some year 13 students use them as a bit of revision material. The videos will be around 10 to 30 minutes in length. They will vary depending on the topic and such. So they will be short enough that you will be able to just sit down to the video in one go. You won't need any breaks. They're not going to be like 3-hour videos where you're going to have to break it up and stuff yourself. These videos are not going to be for just pleasure viewing. They're not like a Veritasium video or Smarter Everyday or anything like that, where you literally just sit there and watch and listen. You're going to need to have a pen and paper. You're going to actually have to do some work, and these videos are designed to get you to actually learn something, not just for you to just have a listen. Think of it, as more like one-to-one tuition, really, but free. Although it's not face to face, and the communication's only one way, really. So I suppose it's not so much like one-to-one tuition. Yeah. Oh well. I suppose that's a bad example, but you get what I mean. So when I make the videos, any resources that I use in the video, I will put links to in the video description, so you can download all of them. Sometimes I will put supplementary material there which isn't part of the video, but which I think could help you regardless. So I will put all of that in the video description, so please make sure that you do always check the video description for all of that stuff. So you're going to need to print them out or look at them on a second screen, or just keep alt tab in between the video and any question sheets that I put in the video description, that sort of stuff. They will all follow a very set structure, a standard structure, very much like a normal lesson, basically. Although they will be much shorter in length. So I will introduce the topic. I will show you some examples, explain what's going on, then ask you to do some questions yourself, and then we'll review them together, and then we'll move on to the next thing and repeat as necessary. So these videos aren't casual entertainment. they are an actual learning resource. I'm not going to be looking at every single topic found at A level. I'm going to start with surds, logarithms, powers and indices, general algebra type stuff. I've actually already recorded some videos on powers and indices. I've already recorded some stuff on surds as well, and I've already had a look at what I could do in terms of logarithms. So after some general algebra type stuff, we will then look at some calculus. Calculus makes up a huge chunk of A-level mathematics. So it's good to be introduced to it, quite early on and to start getting to grips with it. After calculus, we'll look at some more algebra-based topics again, and some geometry before returning to more calculus. At the moment, I've got no plans to look at the statistics or mechanics side of things, but maybe that will change. If there is enough interest, then I will include some stats and mechanics stuff. But like I said, there won't be every topic anyway. These videos will not make up the whole A-level in maths. I do intend on doing a video series that will be the whole A-level maths, but that will be sometime in the future. I have so many things that I want to do for this channel, just not enough time really. So I'll be working on these videos over the summer, and I'll also continue into the new academic year. So if you're watching these in the future, then I suppose that they'll all be done. But if you're watching this in July of 2019, then I will be publishing these videos in the next 2, 3, 4 months. These videos aren't tailored to any specific exam board, so regardless of what exam board you will be doing in college, these videos will help no matter what. So you don't have to worry, will I be doing Edexcel? Will I be doing AQA or whatever? Don't worry about that. So that's everything. So I just want to finish this little update by saying, thank you very much to everyone. Thank you for your patience over the last few months when I've not been well. Big thank you to everyone who has commented. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I was amazed really at the support that this channel received, so thank you. And obviously, commenting and subscribing is great and everything, but really, the biggest thank you of all goes to all of you who have watched some of the videos, whether you've watched more than one video, whether you've just watched part of a video, or whatever. I'm making these videos to help people, and they only help people if they watch them. So thank you very much, and I really do appreciate it, and I really do hope that you found videos in the past helpful, and more than anything, I hope that you find the videos that I'm working on currently and that I start publishing in the near future, and the far future, of course. I really hope that you find these very useful as well. So if you have any suggestions or comments, then please let me know in the comments down below in this video. Of course, when I start making these videos live, then obviously comment down below in any particular video if you'd like me to explain more about something, or anything like that. And let me know as well if you'd like me to actually go into the statistics and mechanics stuff. Although, as I said, my plan right now is to focus solely on the pure mathematics. But like I said, if there is a lot of interest in seeing some stats or seeing some mechanics, or maybe both, then I will do that. But yeah, thank you very much, and have a good day.